We were blown away at the amount of water sports that are included with your stay at Sandals Negril, and apparently at other Sandals too. And that includes everything from scuba diving to glass bottom boat rides and water skiing. Here's a quick look at some of what's included. Now you're probably wondering, is this really all included?
Absolutely. It's included.
Now you arrange all those activities at the Water Sports Center at the north end of the resort here at Sandals Negril. And if you're looking for more, right off of the main lobby there's a desk where you can arrange for land and also water excursions. Now back at the Water Sports Center, you can also arrange for a private boat ride. The boat can handle up to 16 people, and the tour lasts about 2 to 2.5 hours. And that's exactly what we did. It's at the boat that you see behind us, the four of us, and they're supposed to take us out and show us the coastline along Jamaica and Rick's bar. You ready?
Woo-hoo, I'm ready.
And definitely no drinking, because we've been drinking in that pool all day since we've been here. So that's it, no more alcohol, right? And join us is Chef Tony and his wife Tori. Remember, no drinking, right? No drinking. No.
Water and soda.
Right, water and soda, that's it. That's it. We're not sure which boat it is. We think it's that boat there, as I said, but maybe it's the boat over there. I don't know, we'll see. It was the bigger boat, and after a safety briefing from the captain, we were on our way. In command was Captain Leroy and his first mate Dillon.
Yeah, man, as you know, Jamaica, West Negril. Yeah, man, as you know, Captain Leroy and Dillon.
Captain Leroy?
Yeah.
Captain Leroy. We headed south along the coast and learned all about the history of the area. On its southern end, this is where 7 Mile Beach ends, right where the jetty is, and that's the spot where a river comes out to the ocean. From that point on, the sand disappears and the coast becomes very rocky. And it's here you'll find numerous homes built on the cliffs overlooking the sea, as well as some really cool looking resorts, many of which are still closed because of COVID. They never recovered from the financial loss. Now during the voyage, we enjoyed some rum punch and various drinks from a cooler. Along the way, we passed the famous Rock House Hotel, which has one of the best restaurants in the area. Our first stop was to swim in a cave. We stopped, jumped off the boat with life preservers, and Dillon swam with us to show us the inside. And what we found was an abandoned bar. Now this area with all the caves was where Bob Marley used to hang out and composed some of his music. That was Bob Marley's cave,
Yeah,
and what did he compose there, Bob Marley?
A couple of his hit song was made here. Three Little Bird, No Woman Don't Cry, also Buffalo Soldier, as you know it is. One and only legend, Bob Marley. Yeah,
All right, yeah, man.
R.I.P. Yeah.
Our next stop was Rick's Cafe, the well-known cafe in Negril, which opened in 1974, and it's known for its cliff jumping, visited by tourists and locals. And the first mate, Dillon, volunteered to show us how it's done. Yeah, Dillon, what's Dillon gonna do?
I'm gonna jump from the 35. That's the most
35! Yeah, woo!
Yeah, man. So,
Good luck, we hope to see you again!
all right, I will. Leroy.
Final words!
Arms away!
Yeah.
I got it. Yeah! Yeah, man! Don't fall.
That's how we do it.
There we go, that's how you do it. We then cruised out to the lighthouse, turned around, and headed back. And on the way back, we celebrated Dillon's accomplishment of jumping off the cliffs at Rick's. We ended our boat ride with a little bit of bubbly.
That is not the police. That's how we do it.
So,
Alright, so Captain Leroy, we're here at Sandals. If you're ever planning on doing a private boat ride, you ask for Leroy or my first mate Dylan. We're definitely gonna provide a blast for you guys.
Crazy person.
yeah, do it.
Fun person. Everything.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. It was a great afternoon out and took a little over 2 hours. We'd highly recommend taking this private boat tour, and if you're interested, sign up at the Water Sports Building. Until next time, safe travels.